Hey everybody, I look not my best today. I just got 13 hours of sleep. I have a headache still somehow, and I look really pale because it's winter and I hate winter. So today, even though I want to go back to sleep, I want to go get a full 24 hours of sleep, to be completely honest. But today I'm doing my makeup because I have a lot of cleaning to do. And for some reason, I am the most motivated when I look pretty. I also have homework to do, even though right now I don't have school, it's break. Today, I'm going to be following another Vogue Beauty Secrets. I don't actually know whose beauty secret I'm going to be following yet. I didn't really put planning into this video. I was just like, I want to do my makeup, but I want to make content out of it. Because this week, you guys, I have no school. You're going to be getting a lot of videos. I'm probably only going to post like twice a week, but just know that you will be getting content for the next few weeks because I will be cranking out a new video for you literally every day. I decided we're doing Kylie Jenner's because I love Kylie Jenner, except I don't really have any of her makeup anymore. I have her like old bronzer that I lent to my sister a couple years ago, and this is how she returned it to me. Like, this is not okay. You can't. Anyways, I also had her blush, but my sister also has that. And I used to use her concealer, like the old formula of it. Okay, so she mixes her foundation with moisturizer. I'm gonna do the same thing. This is like the only foundation I have. I have a couple skin tints. I'm just gonna use this Pixie bronzer. And my moisturizer is like out, but there's literally like nothing in here. So really just like nothing in here. Like, I got some stuff out, guys. She does a squeeze. Oh, cute. I don't typically like to like blend my foundation stuff or like skin tint or concealer or blush or literally anything with my hands. I feel like it just looks so patchy and not cute, which is why I never do it. I mean, it doesn't look like awful. It's just not what I would typically do. Here's my Rare Beauty concealer. Maybe I should. Oh, this is like almost empty. I should be restocking this soon. Okay, she blends this with her hands too. I genuinely don't know how people like blend things with their hands. I can't. I don't like it. I feel like it also doesn't really blend that much better than like using a beauty blender. Like, it definitely blends better than brush, I'll say that. For me, I like tried blush with my foundation, could not do it. Okay, she does bronzer next and she does cream bronzer, so I'm just gonna use my cream bronzer instead of using hers. And then if she uses powder bronzer later, I will. And she puts it on the brush first. I did this for a little bit, but I feel like it didn't get as much pigment when I did this. But to be fair, the Pixie bronzer that I use doesn't really give much pigment. Anyways, it's very natural, which is what I like about it. Like, I like how it's like not too much. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm thinking, should I use one of my cream blushes or should I use... She's using a cream blush, but I have a color similar to the one she's using in a liquid. I'm just using cream blush. That's what she's doing. What I'm using is Morphe Maddie Ziegler. Take very little because this blush is so pigmented. It's like crazy. I have to use like such a little amount at a time. Okay, and then she just goes through and like pats her entire face. Okay, she's using a loose powder instead of a pressed powder. So I have this Chanel powder. The problem with it is that it's like pink kind of, and it doesn't really match me very well. This is not looking that good, to be completely honest. Why does the makeup look so much better on the camera than it does in real life? Like, I'm looking here and I do not look that cute. She's doing eyeshadow. I'm skipping that for today. So I checked and I can't find the lip liner anywhere, even though I like literally used it recently. Cute. I'm using this Anastasia pencil. It has this cute new gold packaging. I have that as well. I started to do my brows. By started, I mean my friends did it for me in class on Friday in the middle of the day. And now I'm gonna start doing it because I low-key loved it. Okay, face highlighter time. Guess which highlighter I'm gonna be using from my KKW Beauty palette. I don't have her mascara, but I think I have one that has a similar wand, perhaps. Okay, so I guess the Sky High Lash is kind of similar. Hers is just like a little thicker, but it's like basically the same, so I'm gonna use this. But I like low-key mascara fiend. Like, I buy so much mascaras. I have so many. I've tried so many, so like I know what works best for like me at least. Here is final look. I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like it doesn't really look like how I would do my makeup usually. I mean, it's not bad. Like, I look good. I look better than I did at the start of the video. Say that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. So I don't leave my hair natural because it doesn't look cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.